In this video, I'm going to show you how to import MIDI files in Pro Tools. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then from here you want to go to Import, hover over it, and you want to click on MIDI. You could also press Ctrl plus Alt plus I on your keyboard to open the same thing. Now from here you want to find your MIDI file, so I have one over here, the sample MIDI. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Open. Whenever you do this here, it's going to ask you the destination, so you can add a new track or clip list. I'm going to click on new track over here, and I'm going to leave this as a MIDI track like that. And of course you could go and import tempo map from MIDI file, and you could also import key signature from MIDI file if you want to as well by checking these check marks. Then here you want to select the location. I'm going to do session start and then click on OK. Now whenever you do this, as you can see over here, it's going to import your MIDI file in Pro Tools. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.